Struggling to get things done in 2026? These top 5 productivity apps are about to change the way you work, helping you stay organized, focused, and in total control of your day. At number 5, we've got Todoist, To-Do List, and Calendar, a productivity app trusted by over 50 million users worldwide, with a solid 4.7-star rating and over 10 million installs. This isn't just a to-do list, it's your personal second brain. With Todoist, To-Do List, and Calendar, you can instantly capture tasks using natural language. Just type something like submit report every Friday at 4 p.m. and it organizes everything for you automatically. Even better, you can talk instead of type with voice capture, making task entry faster than ever. It also gives you powerful views. Switch between list, board, or calendar mode depending on how you think. Plus, built-in habit tracking helps you stay consistent with daily routines without overthinking it. Whether you're managing school, work, or life goals, Todoist keeps everything in one clean place. It syncs across all your devices instantly, so your tasks follow you everywhere, phone, tablet, or desktop. Teams can also collaborate easily by assigning tasks, setting deadlines, and tracking progress in real time. Number 4, this might already be sitting on your laptop, and you're probably barely using what it can really do. I'm talking about Notion. It's sitting at a 4.6-star rating with over 360k reviews and more than 10 million installs. And for good reason. Imagine having your notes, tasks, projects, and even team plans all in one clean workspace. No more jumping between 5 different apps just to stay organized. You can build pages for literally anything: school, work, personal goals, and customize it exactly how you like. Templates make it even faster to get started. What really makes it stand out? Everything connects. Your to-do list, your notes, your deadlines, all in one place that actually makes sense. And once you start using it daily, it doesn't feel like an app anymore. It feels like your second brain. Be honest, could you replace your current notes app with this? Next, number 3, there's an app that's been quietly changing that for millions. It's called Microsoft To Do, rated 4.6 stars with over 10 million installs. And it's basically your personal daily command center. What makes it different? The My Day feature helps you pick exactly what matters today, not everything at once. Add tasks, set reminders, even break big goals into simple steps so nothing feels overwhelming. And if you already use Outlook or Microsoft apps, your tasks sync automatically. No extra effort needed. From schoolwork to groceries to big projects, everything stays in one clean place. Once you start using it, staying organized actually feels effortless. The number 2, there's an app called Forest, rated 4.3 stars with over 10 million downloads, and it flips the way you study in a surprisingly addictive way. Here's how it works. Every time you want to focus, you plant a virtual tree. Sounds simple, right? But here's the twist: if you leave the app to scroll TikTok, Instagram, or anything distracting, your tree dies. And yeah, it hits harder than you think. Suddenly, your just 5 minutes on my phone turns into I don't want to kill my forest. Students use it for everything: exam prep, homework, even ADHD focus sessions, UPSC, G, NEET, finals. It doesn't matter. It turns studying into a challenge you actually want to win. And the more you stay focused, the bigger your forest grows. Over time, you're literally watching your discipline turn into a full digital ecosystem. There's even a social side: friends can join your focus room, and if someone gets distracted, everyone's tree suffers. So now pressure turns into motivation. And here's the wild part. Users have helped plant millions of real trees in the real world just by staying focused. So yeah, it's not just a timer, it feels like a game where your future is the reward. At number 1, we have the app that quietly runs millions of people's entire day. And most people don't even realize how powerful it is. I'm talking about Google Calendar. Rated 4.5 stars, with over 4 million reviews and more than 5 billion installs worldwide. Yeah, this isn't just an app, it's basically a life organizer in your pocket. Now, here's the wild part. Most people think it's just for setting reminders. But wait, there's more. It actually pulls events straight from your Gmail, flights, hotel bookings, concert tickets, and automatically drops them into your schedule without you doing anything. And this is where it gets crazy. You can layer multiple calendars, work, personal, family, all in one view. So you literally see your entire life mapped out in seconds. Most people miss this part. You can also attach Google Meet links, notes, and even documents directly to events, turning a simple calendar into a full planning system. The real reason people love it is simple. It removes mental overload. You don't have to remember everything anymore. Your calendar does it for you. Plus, you can switch between month, week, and day views instantly and even manage tasks right inside the app. So, yeah, it's not just a calendar, it's your daily control center. And that's your top 5 productivity apps for 2026. Now it's your turn. Try one out and level up your daily workflow. Don't forget to comment your favorite.